Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, I know in South Texas, we've got a pretty long swim season. Lots of really nice, warm, sunshiny days. But a lot of people still do want to put heaters on their pools. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, I'm going to talk with you about what the best option is for heating your fiberglass pool. So let's dive in. Okay, so like I mentioned, we do have a lot of time we can swim every year here in South Texas, but people still do like extending their swim season. And depending on how warm you like your pool water, sometimes people even like adding a little extra heat during the regular swim season, or at least during the fall and early spring months. But by adding a heater to your fiberglass pool, you can actually enjoy it year-round. And there are several different options when it comes to heating your pool. From natural gas heaters to propane to electric to an electric heat pump to solar. But which one of them is the best? Well, what we're going to go through today is which one is the best when it comes to overall combination of your initial cost, the cost of running the heater to heat the pool, and your overall efficiency. So this is going to vary depending on what market you're in. And for the sake of this video, we're specifically going to be targeting our Texas and our South Texas markets. And when we break it down, your natural gas heater is going to be the best for your fiberglass pools. So a natural gas heater is actually going to be one of the most inexpensive when it comes to the initial cost of adding the heater to your pool equipment. And if you've already got gas run to your house, it's a very easy setup. Now, if you don't have gas run to your house, that doesn't necessarily mean that there's not a main gas line in your community. So you can always check to find out if it's something that could easily be added. And when it comes to running the heater, the cost of natural gas in our area is very, very affordable. In some other markets, the cost to run a gas heater may be a lot more, but in our market, you can very inexpensively heat up your pool. And when it comes to heating up your pool, your natural gas heater is definitely, without a doubt, going to be the fastest way to do that. A gas heater will actually heat up the pool at a rate of 2 to 5 degrees every single hour. So you don't necessarily have to keep the pool and the heater running all of the time during the winter season. If you decide you want to use your pool, you can kick up the temperature pretty quickly. And you don't have to plan days ahead to have that winter pool party. And when it comes to the gas heater heating, it's not dependent on the outside air temperature. With some of your other heaters, like the heat pump, which directly draws air from outside and really doesn't work that well when the outside air temperature is under 50 to 55 degrees. Or solar heating, which is definitely dependent on sunshine and affected by cloudiness, things like that. And while both of those heating systems may be a little more energy efficient, they take a long time to heat the pool up. With an electric heat pump, for example, you're looking at an increase of 2 to 5 degrees a day, whereas with your natural gas, like we talked about, it's that same 2 to 5 degrees in an hour. And the heat pumps are a lot more expensive initially, and your solar, you've got to have a lot of space to get enough to adequately heat the pool. So with your natural gas having such a low initial cost, having the ability to heat the pool very quickly, and the cost of gas being very inexpensive in our area, plus it not being dependent on the outside weather or temperature, it really is the best way to heat your fiberglass pool. Now, you definitely want to make sure too that whatever heater you're getting for your pool is an adequate size based off the size of your pool. And if natural gas is not an option where you live, there is also the option of adding a propane gas heater to your pool. And this would give you a lot of the same benefits of a natural gas heater. And again, while we do have a very long swim season here in South Texas, I mean, even without a heater, you can very easily enjoy your pool all the way through October, and you can start enjoying it again in March. It never hurts to extend that swim season, or if you like your water a little on the warmer side, to be able to add a few degrees to it at any point in the year. If you've got any questions at all, just reach out, 210-834-7054. I'm here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming.